It's great to be here today. My name is Andrew Flavell, and I'm the Vice President for Architecture in Nike's digital engineering organization. I'm very happy to be here to talk to you about how our partnership with AWS is dramatically changing how we deliver our software and services to our consumers. Nike is a global brand, and we're very passionate about sports and our consumers' potential. And as you can see, Nike's mission is really all about inspiration and innovation. The Nike digital mission and vision are very complementary to Nike's mission. We believe in delivering a connected portfolio of innovative products to serve individuals personally. That could mean a customized running or training program, shoe or apparel recommendations, or a personal invite to one of the many live events that Nike executes around the globe annually. Our connected portfolio of our products span iOS, Android, the web, and Nike Retail. For example, Nike Plus Training Club is your ultimate personal trainer. Millions of athletes use it to train on a regular basis. Training is available from elite athletes like Serena Williams, Simone Biles, and Ashton Eaton. And it has an adaptive coaching engine that personalizes workout selections just for you. Nike Plus Run Club is your perfect training partner. It has a global community of runners which spans 250 countries, and they have shared more than 88 million runs. An adaptive coaching engine provides personalized coaching to all levels of runners. And you can inspire and be inspired by your friends through leaderboards, achievements, and Nike Run Club events. Nike.com is our premium online shopping experience. It's available in more than 50 countries, and it continues to drive double-digit revenue growth for Nike. We also build and deploy hundreds of brand experiences around the world every year. These could be for major sporting events like the World Cup football or the Olympics, or for marathons or training sessions hosted by Nike around the globe. What you see here is the Nike Events tool, and upcoming events that you could participate in here in Seoul. Finally, we build all of the in-store retail experiences that provide one-on-one interactions with our store athletes. In all of the experiences I've just mentioned, we use AWS to provide the agility, scale, and resilience that we require to meet our demanding customers' needs. In fact, we use a lot of AWS services to do this. Here are just a few examples of the services we utilize. At any given time, we have thousands of EC2 instances running in our VPCs, and we couple them with elastic load balancers and auto-scaling groups. We're also moving some workloads to Lambda functions where appropriate. We make extensive use of Amazon's managed storage and database solutions, including DynamoDB, S3, RDS, and Glacier. And we've built sophisticated analytics capabilities using EMR, S3, and Kinesis. We also use many of the services that Amazon provides for security and auditing, including IAM, KMS, and CloudWatch. As I previously mentioned, AWS gives us significant agility. We can scale our infrastructure up and down to meet our consumer and business needs. No need to wait 6 weeks or 6 months to buy and install new hardware. We've embraced DevOps and a continuous delivery practices through automation of the build, test, and deploy pipelines, significantly speeding up delivery of features into production. And we can pick and choose which AWS services best meet our needs and which don't. AWS provides us with resilience. We build stateless microservices designed from the ground up to be fault-tolerant. We use Amazon's multi-AZ and multi-region capabilities to be disaster indifferent, and we use distributed data stores and replication to prevent data loss. AWS provides us with scalability. We can scale our compute up and down to meet consumer and business needs using auto-scaling and EC2 instances. No need to keep large numbers of test machines running 24/7. Test infrastructure can be shut down overnight and restarted only when needed using automation. Lambda functions provide even more flexibility and scalability, as we can quickly scale those to meet business needs, and you only pay for them when they're running. Speaking of scalability, I'd like to touch briefly on how AWS enables us to serve some of our most passionate and discerning customers, sneakerheads. They'll wait in line overnight for a retail store to open to get access to our limited edition product. They'll also get up very early in the morning to wait in line for our online launches. We regularly run what we call high heat launches, where we give our sneakerheads a chance to purchase our most popular products. The anatomy of a Saturday morning launch goes something like this. About 30 minutes before the launch, we begin to scale our AWS infrastructure up to meet the launch requirements, pre-warming our elastic load balancers and our auto-scaling groups. When the launch goes live, a wall of traffic hits AWS as everybody attempts to get in line to purchase the shoes. Once the launch is over, we scale everything back down again to the level that's required for our daily e-commerce loads. This is something that we could never have done in the past. Using AWS, we're able to scale and meet the demands of our highest heat launches, and we've seen traffic with over 29 million API requests to our services in a single hour, and with peak loads of more than 92,000 requests per second during a launch. In conclusion, we're on a journey. Beginning more than 3 years ago, we've been moving from a traditional monolithic stack to distributed stateless microservices in AWS, and more recently, to serverless approaches using AWS Lambda's functions. As AWS continues to improve and evolve its offerings, we continue to evaluate and adopt new technologies when and where they make sense. Throughout all of this, AWS has been a great partner along the way. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the summit.